Hey guys, today we are going to talk about Teen Wolf Prophecies, a game that is in development. First up, the prices like Daruk and Scott. There might be a discount on release for either a day or a week. Daruk will be around 600 to 800 and Scott 500 to 600, so very mid prices. The character you see RN is Scott. This will be the title picture for when it releases. Next is Daruk's Ice Soil, 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Also, this will be added to the game. Think it would be a cool idea, honestly. I will be buying Daruk when they release him though, and they will be adding every character you can think of.
Você declara você for a briga, mas só muda, vai,